Hi, it's me, Akiba Johnson again. Thank you for tuning in to my YouTube page again. I told y'all I'll be reading a little bit out of my book. And today I decided to read you guys the prophecy. Um, so here it is. In the final battle on a world not their own, rise up a mighty warrior, descendant of the throne, born to go and seek the one who started it all. Slay the great betrayer, and watch the universe fall. Here on this final world, whose people are so strong, the child kills the enemy who we fought for so long. You will know the child for whom we seek to find. The markings on the fur are of a different kind. Fur to mark a crown, the child of royal line, the birth of a child, yet some remain blind. The child must find a way to bring together those who've gone astray. Natives to the land of the final battle, rise up together and be slaughtered like cattle. Guards of the king trained to protect the crown, rise up together or separate be beaten down. The three must learn to fight together or all is lost. The universe destroyed, we all pay the cost. You will know the child for whom we seek to find. The markings on the fur are of a different kind. Fur to mark a crown, the child of royal line, the birth of a child, yet some must remain blind. Envy builds hate, which separates, divides, and destroys. It weakens. Understanding builds love, which breeds unity, hope, healing, and it builds. Build, grow, love. Child of hope will lead the way. Then the battle will be won, and all will be reunited on Ihane. So that's the prophecy of the Protectors, Book 1, Child of the Prophecy. So make sure you guys stay tuned on to my YouTube page. I'll also download it on my Twitter and my Facebook. So like me on YouTube, visit me on Facebook, and chat with me on Twitter. Thank you. Oh, I'm in my PJs. See, my little pug. Because I figured this was kind of like a bedtime story. So anyway, good night, y'all. Take care. Bye-bye. I said y'all.